What is the COVID-19 Immigration Court Backlog? Well, these are immigration court cases that were canceled during COVID and have no new court dates. The Immigration Court, also known as EOIR, or the Executive Office of Immigration Review, lacks enough immigration judges to decide these cases. It is unclear when the cases will be rescheduled. Now, this can help or hurt you or your loved ones. How? Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. You can even speed up your case, and I'll explain later how you can do this. Well, let's start first with how it can help. Well, first, a person may be able to lawfully immigrate if the law changes while they wait, or the facts change while they're waiting. For example, you might fall in love and get married. Then you might qualify to process in the United States or outside the United States. If that happens, well, then you may seek some form of relief such as voluntary departure or administrative closure, depending on the facts, of course. And again, things change while cases are delayed. Second, a person may be disqualified, so they may not be able to stay in the United States longer. So delaying the case could help you be with your loved ones and stay with your friends. Perhaps even continue to work if the case is a weak case and the government perhaps doesn't want to administratively close or terminate the case. They want to deport you. Well, how long will they take to reschedule these cases? Frankly, who knows? Next, how can it hurt if you just sit and wait for the immigration court to reschedule? Well, first, someone in deportation can become disqualified for immigration relief while they wait. As an example, if you're filing for cancellation and your children turn 21 while you're waiting, that case, if it revolves only around the children and their hardship, will no longer count. Children who reach 21 years of age cannot be considered children for the purposes of cancellation of removal. Second, a person in deportation court must file papers each time that they change their address. If not, they can get deported in their absence. And that order is called an order in absentia, and that decision can last a lifetime. So you want to be careful to properly notify both offices of the government. And again, that can get a little complicated. Well, what if you want to speed up your case because you may get disqualified? For example, your children may turn 21. Your wife may be having challenges with you and you need to get a family impact study done. You might have other evidence you need to present, and that evidence is getting old and stale and no good. Well, you have to file what's called, and again, properly file, a motion to recalendar. There also may be other options while you're waiting to be rescheduled, such as a motion to administratively close, or even a motion to terminate. That often requires the help of an experienced immigration attorney to do it correctly. Also, to avoid the uncertainty that any of these motions may be ignored or even denied because you may not present enough evidence to demonstrate that the court should make a favorable decision for you. Well, I'm Kevin Dixler, and I've been practicing immigration law since 1993, so I should know. For more information, go to dixler.com. You can find more information about us and how you can schedule an appointment. And I wish you all good luck, and I hope your cases are handled well and successfully.